Oh, he's not hooked.
No, that's the problem.
He's just hanging on.
Yes.
Get him over here. Let go. Is he back on?
He literally jumped out of the water right here at the boat when he let go the second time, and I started to pull the fish in.
Mm-hmm.
And he hit it again right here. He hit the boat. Did you feel it?
No.
Oh yeah, that's why I think he took off. Is he hit the boat?
Jesus.
All right, where's the? Yeah, I want to get a picture of the back of this thing, because you know he's just chomped. No, not too much.
Oh, I thought
Right
I
there.
turned it off, but I think I left it running.
Look at that.
Yeah.
See those marks? I mean, he cut him all the way through. That's belly meat. That's crazy. And of course he got him. Look at his fin in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Nuts. Nuts.